So today we're going to make an origami hawk / butterfly. So if you have a printer paper like this, you fold it down like over here and cut this part. I already cut that part, so yeah. And so your first fold is here, then you fold like that. And then you turn it. So first you fold like this, and then that, right? And now you can do it here. You can also make a fox if you want. Well, we'll show you how to make a fox in this video. And then squash these two together. You get this, right? And then squash fold to a triangle like this, right? And then you turn it around, get these, flap them down to there. It isn't all the way like this matching up to that. You don't want it to be matching there. You want it to be a little bit sticking out like that. And do the same to the other side. And then you see, turn it over. Then you see this part, bring it up here. You want a tiny bit to be showing up there. And then you can fold this down like that. Oh. And then flip it like this, and you got a butterfly. That's a butterfly, and you can also make a fox like that. And you can add like the eyes over here and the ears. So, this is a butterfly, right? How to make a fox, you just need to turn this like that, and then turn it around like that. And now we're going to show you how to make a hawk. From the butterfly, you just need to take that out and then flip these in. You need to flip these in so it seems more like a hawk. Since hawks have straight, they don't have another layer over here like that. So you flip these in, turn it up like this, then this one flaps down, and then turn it. So first it was like here. You turned it around and flap it down. And you made a hawk. And you can add eyes right here, so you see that's the head. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.